Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about a few important things. First one, how much did it cost us to clear the land? We're going to be talking about the issue we have encountered after we cleaned the land, something we did not expect, and that's going to be an extra cost. And as well, in our next video, we'll be sharing how much it's going to cost us to fill up the land with caliche and make it all even. So after some search, we finally found a company, a local company that we went with. They have been in a business for a very long time. As well, the gentleman was speaking English, which made it much easier for me. And we talked about the price. Everything was agreed upon before the job was done, and that's exactly how much we paid. So we had to pay for the land clearing, we had to be paying for loading of the materials, and as well to haul them off the land. After everything was done, the real test came, and it's to see how deep we have to dig until we reach the rock. So the deeper we have to dig to reach the rock, that means more caliche will have to be added in the future. And caliche is pretty expensive because you need to bring it into Cap Cana. Then you have to dump it all, so then the more space you have to fill up, the more truckloads have to be coming and you have to be filling them. So it can get pretty expensive. Luckily, we reached the rock right away. And then we decided to go check everywhere, if the rock is located everywhere, especially, and the grounds where we're going to be building. So we somewhat know the design and where the house is going to be located. And in this picture, you can see that all the right side of the land, it's full of rock. On the left side, on the other hand, you have to dig probably about 1.5 meters or so until you reach the rock. So which means we will have to be digging down to reach the rock, and after we'll have to fill it up with the caliche. But luckily, we don't have to do it for the whole land. It's mainly for the part where we're going to be building the foundation and putting the house. All the backyard to fill it up with the land that we're going to use and dig the hole for the pool. This land we're going to use to the backyard as well to raise it, because the road is going to be about 1 meter above the land. So we'll have to raise the land where we do have the rock 1 meter up, and then we will have to raise as well the left side of the land meter up to the road, plus how much we digged to the bottom. So now we're going to show you the numbers so you can see that this is how much we had to pay for the land clearing. This is how much we had to pay for the loading of the materials, and this is how much we had to pay for the hauling of the materials away and dump them in the landfill, for a grand total of $4,353, which we thought was pretty fair for the amount of work that had to be happen. So that's all for this video, but make sure you subscribe, because we're going to be sharing our next video with how much would it cost us to fill up our land to the top, to the road, and hopefully start the construction soon. We will be sharing everything we're going to be doing during the construction. We'll be sharing the design soon, as we working right now with our architect. So exciting things coming. And again, if you're a neighbor, send me a message, and I would like to connect and hopefully answer any questions you have. Until the next one, adios.